Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making Bisquick Chicken Tenders. What all goes into the Bisquick Chicken Tenders? 1 cup Bisquick, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and this is optional, 1/2 cup milk, 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders, and I'll be using about half of this pack, and 2 tablespoons melted butter. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 450. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly spray with cooking spray, and that's what I'm going to do. And set that aside. Take 2 shallow bowls. Put your 1 cup of Bisquick in the first shallow bowl, and your 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and if using 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and mix that together well. In the second shallow bowl, dump in 1/2 cup of milk, and I'm going to move those around. Take each chicken tender, put it in the milk, let the excess drip, wet hand, dry hand, put that in the Bisquick mix and pat it so it adheres to the chicken tender, and lay it on the prepared sheet pan. Let's do another one for you. Put it in the milk with your wet hand, shake off the excess, put it in the dry. With your dry hand, roll it and press the Bisquick on the chicken tender until covered, and lay it on the pan. All the chicken pieces are coated. Take your melted butter and drizzle the butter on top of each piece. This will help brown it and make it crispy. Put your Bisquick chicken tenders in a preheated 450-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Flipping halfway through until the chicken is done and the coating is brown. After 16 minutes, I took it out of the oven. Let's see if the chicken is done. It needs to be 165 internal temperature. And it looks like they all are. So we'll let them cool for just a couple of minutes and then we'll dish up. So here is the Bisquick chicken tenders. Rounding out the meal is potato salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming, is that chicken?
That is Bisquick chicken tenders.
Okay. It's pretty good. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it. That's good. It's got a nice flavor too. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.